going on, guys? I'd like to talk to you about numbers because numbers weren't just a tool for counting. No, they carried patterns, energy, and ancient truths most people were never even taught to see. Now, there's something different, and I mean really different, about these numbers 3, 6, and 9. They aren't just digits, they're codes. And I'm about to shed some light on what makes them so unique. Some of you have may heard this before, and some of you may just blow your mind. But either way, by the end of this video, you're going to see how truly magnificent these numbers are, especially 9. All right, real quick before we go any further, because I know I'm going to get a question on this. This right here is the 369 triangle, okay? Now, while all the other numbers create a loop around the circle and are connected to each other, 3, 6, and 9 create their own pattern. They define the structure. All right, anybody that's been following me long enough or knows me personally, what's this place made out of again? 3 things: energy, frequency, and vibration. And just like 3, 6, and 9, it actually represents something. It's not a number or a symbol. It's a lot bigger than that. It's literally an energetic archetype. Not an architect, an archetype. If you don't know what it means, go ahead, do yourself a favor and look it up, okay? Because each one of these numbers carries a very, very unique vibration and purpose. Like 3. 3 is creation. It's the first geometric shape that creates stability. The triangle. It all starts with creation. Mother, father, and child. Harmony. Past, present, and future. And balance. Mind, body, and spirit. I believe Catholics and Christians believe in this as well. It's called the Holy Trinity. Then we have 6. 6 represents structure and foundation. It's the architect and the builder that is laying down the framework for balance, protection, and growth. Where 3 creates, 6 gives it form. And 9, well, 9 is the number of completion. It holds energy of wisdom, wholeness, and spiritual enlightenment. It's the return to source. Now, I want to make sure everybody's on the same page because I know they have some people out there that still don't even know what numerology is, okay? So I'll let you take a gander. It's just basically the study of numbers, okay? Numerology is based on reducing any number down to a single digit between 1 and 9. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then starts all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, starts all over again. Get it? Got it? Good. Moving on. Real quick visual example. You've got 347. You'd have to reduce that to single digits. So you'd add 3 plus 4 plus 7. That would equal 14. Then you just add 1 plus 4. That would equal 5. 5 would be the root number. You got it? Get it? Good. All right. This is a numbers of multiples chart. It's just a list of what you get whenever you add the same number together, right? Like 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3, 3, 6, 9. Okay, get it? Got it? Good. All right, the stage is set. So let me ask you something. You ready to see a phenomenon that most people never even knew existed? You've seen the numbers, but now you're about to see the pattern hidden inside of the numbers. I made y'all a little cheat sheet, okay? All of these are the root numbers already, and you can identify them easily, all right? We're gonna start out, I want you to look at 3 and 6. You notice anything peculiar? That's right. 3, 6, and 9 loop. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Crazy, right? Now, look at 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. What do you notice about that? They go through the whole system, 1 through 9, 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 1 through 9. Now, if 3 and 6 have a cycle loop of 3, 6, 9, what do you think will happen when I plug in 9? Everything resets. 9 doesn't just join the loop, it overrides it. It's the final frequency, the divine echo, if you will. Whenever you plug in 9, it doesn't just participate, it commands, because every multiple of 9 always collapses right back down on itself to 9. 9 is the origin, the completion, the code behind it all. Crazy, huh? You notice how they all end in 9 as well? Hold on, we're not done. Now, once we move out of the single digits and get into the double digits like 14, 15, 16, and beyond, you would think that these numbers would break up, right? It's not the case. Now, also remember, it doesn't matter. You still have to take these numbers in numerology and reduce them down to single number, right? So 4 plus 1, that's 5. 5 plus 1, that's 6. Interesting. 18. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. Hold up, it gets a little crazier. And it doesn't matter how high you take the number. It doesn't matter. 3 and 6 will always produce 3, 6, 9. And 9 will always come back to 9. Here's a multiples of 40 chart of 9. You can go ahead and take a screenshot and add them all of them up, and they still come out to 9. Hell, we can do 1,000,000 and it'll still come out to 9. Now I want you to check out this sequence real quick. All this is just 9, adding 9 to it 10 times. Basically 9 times 10. 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay? Get it? Now, real quick, all of these right here all have a root number of 9. Right? 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, got it? Okay, cool deal. Now, we're going to start going from left to right. On my left to your right. Okay, whatever. But we're going to start out with 0. We're going to skip a number and then start counting, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's go back the other way. Do the same thing. Skip a number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Zeros on each end. Looks like code running back and forth. Crazy, right? Now here's something else about this sequence. Right here, you can take 90 and 09 and flip them. You can take 81 and 18, flip them. You can take 72, 27, flip them. All of them and flip them, and it's code. Now check this out. If I split the numbers in the middle, right, and have 5 numbers on this side, 5 numbers on this side, and I take 90 and I swing it down to 0, that's 90. 81 plus 9, 90. 72 plus 18, 90. 63 plus 27, 90. 54 plus 36, 90. And 4.5 right in the middle, source, 9. Check this out. If I split it right in the middle where the 55 is, okay, take 55, 44, 66, 33, 77, 22, 88, 11. Like, are you seeing that? It kind of looks like this. Are you kidding me? I mean, look at this, dude. All the way down to 99. Well, what's 5 plus 4? 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1. Yeah, you can even take 55 plus 44 would equal 99. 99 plus 66 is 165. 165 plus 33 is 198. You can do it all the way down, and you'll get 495 as your final answer. Let's break that down in the numerology terms, shall we? 9 plus 5 is 14, plus 4, that's 18. 8 plus 1 is... Now, when I started digging down this 369 many years ago, right, I always had the conclusion, and it was just true, that you can take 9 and multiply it by any number in this world, doesn't matter how big it is, and it will always find a root back down to 9, right? 9 is the infinite number, right? I didn't realize it, but you can take any one of these numbers right here, and you can multiply them by any number, and it will all go back down to a root of 9, as long as it's rooted in 9. If it's rooted in 9, doesn't matter what the number is, you can multiply by anything, and it will go back down to 9. Again, that's code. If this is something you didn't know or it cracked open your curiosity, drop a comment and let me know what hit you the hardest. Because once you see 3, 6, and 9 and it clicks, you'll never see them as numbers again. You'll start seeing them as design. I love y'all. See you on the next one. Later.